What's up, guys? Welcome back. And today we are headed to get the rear end changed on this truck. But first, I need to move Ghost. Then we can get on through yonder, getting this done. It's crazy because like afterwards of sitting here thinking of getting this appointment to get this rear end done, like I could have had the front end done by now. For myself, it's been sitting. I could have had it done. I was sitting here thinking the other night, I'm like, I've been sitting here waiting, but I could have did that. And then when we got this rear end done today, that part's done. Drive part's done. But you live and you learn. So that's why it's a project. That's what I'm learning. All right, guys, let's get the truck moved and get on the road. Show y'all what the truck is doing. That is definitely needing a new front end. Look at there. That is crazy. When I break down to about 50 miles per hour, it does it every time. Alright, guys, this is the view from underneath. Like I say, we have the rear end on. When the guy put it on for me, he told me that the brake pads on these things were brand new. So he was like, hey, I know you're planning on doing the swap and whatnot. He said, but man, I'm telling you, you got brand new pads on that. They look like they've barely been taught. So I'm gonna go with them for a minute. They stop pretty good. And everything's going good, guys. No noise, so here we go. All right, guys, I just showed y'all underneath of the truck after getting back from the mechanic. Like I said, I got the rear end on, and also, if you can remember off any other video, I have the gas gauge working now with putting that new sending unit on. And I also had a O2 sensor replaced while he was underneath because it was stuttering, and I thought it had something to do with needing a tune-up, and it still may need a tune-up, but after putting that O2 on, it started running 10 times better. So we're halfway there where we're trying to go with that. All right, guys, I just want to show you, where we at with the progress. This video may not be long at all, but stay tuned for the next one. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.